In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks by tag in Asana and save your view. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the exact place you want to narrow down. That might be a specific project, your My Tasks, or another task area where your work lives. Make sure you're actually inside the project or section you care about because the filter will only apply to what's currently on screen. If you manage multiple projects, open the one where you want a clear, focused list right now. Next, confirm that your tasks already have tags. Tags are lightweight labels that help you group related work, like campaign names, content types, or statuses. You'll usually see them as small colored chips on each task. They're different from custom fields. Custom fields store structured data, while tags are flexible labels you can reuse anywhere. If you notice a task that should be part of your filter but doesn't show a tag, open the task details and add the appropriate tag so it's included. A quick check here saves time later. Now look for Asana's filtering tools. In most project views, you'll see a filter button or a funnel icon near the top. Click it to open filtering options. If you prefer a broader search, say you want to pull in results from multiple projects, use the search bar at the top and open advanced search. Both paths let you narrow by tag. The difference is whether you're filtering inside one project or searching across Asana. Choose the tag you want to filter by. Start typing its name and select it from the suggestions, or pick it from the dropdown if it's already visible. As soon as you apply the tag filter, the view updates to show only tasks that carry that label, regardless of which section or column they're in. Take a moment to review the results. Scan the list or board to confirm you see the right work. Open a few tasks to double-check the tag, due date, and assignee. You can change between list and board view, or adjust sorting to make the filtered tasks easier to scan without changing which tasks are included by the tag. If you'll reuse this setup, save the filtered view. Inside a project, use Save View or Save Layout as default so you can return to the same perspective next time. If you created it through advanced search, choose Save Report, give it a clear name, and it will live in your reports for quick access. You can favorite it for one-click access later. That's the process. Open your target area, confirm tags, apply the tag filter, review the results, and save the view so it's ready whenever you are.